Hey everyone, welcome back to this lesson on setting up the developing environment. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, choosing the right IDE can make or break your productivity. And in this particular section, we will be setting up the most powerful editor, that is VS Code. Okay. By end of this video, you will be having a VS Code and running customized with an extension ready to supercharge with your coding experience. So let's get started. So in this particular video, so we'll be going to understand about setting up your VS Code editor. Okay, all right. So we'll be setting up the VS Code editor so that you will be understanding a lot of aspects here, and we'll just go straight away. We'll go with this. Okay. So first, let's download this VS Code. So open your browser, any browser that you wish that you can have it. Okay. So you can just go over here, code.vscode Visual Studio Code.com. Okay. So here you can just download from this. You will get lot of things here. Okay. Copilot, GitHub Copilot is for free. You can use that as well for improving your productivity as well. Okay, so there are a lot of key aspects that GitHub Copilot is giving and built in the VS Code. So you can just click on download for Windows. Okay, so you can, if you are from other platforms, you can just go with these other platforms. And this is what I wanted to say. Like if you wanted to click from here, if you are using Windows, you can use that. I already installed it. You just click on this. If you are using Debian or Ubuntu, you can use this. If you are using Red Hat Fedora, you can use this. If you are using Mac, you can use this. Okay, so this is what I wanted to say, like correspond video. So you can download this. Just a straightforward video, folks. For that, for you to showcase, I will just going to click this particularly. Okay, so I am just doing in the downloads folder. Okay, so it got downloaded. Just a straightforward video, folks. Just click on this. Okay, so this is what I wanted to say. Like you just open the installer, just download it. After that, if you just open here, your VS Code will be going to appear here. Okay, so something like this blue icon. Just click on open. Okay, so just click on this. This video is all about setting your VS Code editor, folks. So nothing apart from that. Certain kind of an extensions that you need to download it. Apart from nothing about it. So I will just show you like couple of things that you need to set up before you get into that. Okay, so this video is all about setting your editor basically. So here you need to install the Flutter extension here. Okay, so first of all, you just try to install this particularly. Okay, so go and just install this kind of an extensions, folks. Like INTL is also one of the thing. Stylizer is also, you can just if you want, you can install. But I feel like this is what Flutter tree for expanding of the folder structure, it will comes greater in this particular sense. Okay, so if you are using Python, you can just try to. Okay, so this video was all about that for installing VS Code. So that's it from my side, folks. We'll in the next video we'll going to understand all about okay, so connecting Bluetooth thermal applications. Like we will be going to get starting with the creating a Flutter project. Okay, so let's jump in the next section. You will be going to learn step by step.